Son of a bitch!
Hey, honey, I'm not going to be able to make dinner tonight, I'm afraid.
What's wrong, your idiot brother again? Okay, honey, try not to stay up too late.
All right, sweetie. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye now.
I'll take some of that specialty beef.
I'll be right with you.
Well, how many pounds do you think I would like?
Well, it all depends on how many pounds you can take.
You've been busy lately.
No. Hey, honey, not really.
I'd like some of your sausage today.
Ooh, how sure you be?
What was that?
Oh, I mean, how much would you?
Well, it's just for me, or us. A few pounds should do it. Hey, Dad.
Oh, hey,
Don't you supposed to see a Willow around?
nah, not really.
That brother of yours always driving like a maniac.
You know, Billy's always in a rush to go someplace. Seriously, I got a lot of cleaning up to do right here.
Well, Wilma seems to think you might have something to do with Miss Lucy and Emma Jean's disappearing.
Wilma, town's busybody. Not no more.
What was that?
Oh, honey, I just said I got a lot.